Teen dating abuse. Do you know the facts? According to the 2009 Fairfax County Youth Survey, 75% of teens said they have not been victims of teen dating abuse, but 25% said they have. Teen dating abuse is often associated with physical injuries, but before you see bruises, there may be other warning signs that a relationship is not healthy or safe. Teen dating abuse is a pattern of controlling behavior committed by someone in a dating or close personal relationship. It may be emotional, physical, or sexual.
Overall, 1 in 4 teens said that they had experienced some form of dating abuse. 23% of teens have had a boyfriend or girlfriend who always wanted to know where they were, called them names, or put them down.
5% of teens have had a boyfriend or girlfriend hit, slap, or physically hurt them on purpose. And 6% of teens have had a boyfriend or girlfriend pressure them to have sex when they didn't want to.
While both girls and boys reported being victims of teen dating abuse, it is much more common for girls to be the victims of verbal and sexual abuse.
How would I know if my teen is in an unhealthy or unsafe relationship? She isn't complaining to me, and she doesn't appear to be hurt.
Take notice if someone your teen is dating or is close to exerts power over them. The abusive person may show extreme jealousy or possessiveness. Constantly check up on them or read their emails and text messages. Isolate them from friends and family. Repeatedly put them down or insult them. Threaten or humiliate them in front of others. Lose their temper, then blame your teen for making them mad. Or do things to control your teen's actions and choices. Often the teen being abused will apologize for their partner's behavior. Give up things important to them, such as friends or hobbies. Show dramatic changes in weight or appearance. Suffer lower grades in school or miss classes. Or have unexplained injuries.
I think my teen might be a victim of dating abuse. What can I do to help?
Tell your teen you are concerned for her safety and that you are there to listen. Let her know the abuse is not her fault and that abuse is never okay.
If your teen is injured, go to your doctor or the emergency room. If your teen is in danger, report the abuse to law enforcement.
According to the Fairfax County Youth Survey, teens that have been victims of dating abuse or violence are more likely to be depressed or consider suicide, use drugs or alcohol, bully others or be victims of bullying, be sexually active, or carry weapons. Teens are less likely to be victims of abuse when they have support of their home, school, community, and friends. You can always help your teen
By helping them be successful in school.
Giving them a voice in family decisions that affect them.
Acknowledging when they do a good job.
Helping them be involved in activities in and out of school.
And encouraging them to volunteer in their community.
Talk to your teen about dating abuse. Make sure you know the warning signs. Let your teen know you are there to help her live a life free from violence. The National Teen Dating Abuse 24-hour hotline is available to help. They have confidential peer counselors who can assist you and your teen in developing a safety plan. They can also connect you to other resources for you and your teen. For more information on the Fairfax County Youth Survey, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/youth survey. You can also visit the county's website for more information and resources on teen